As you can see over there, this is Riverside Park. You can see the water's cresting. Just look over there. Even the 401 bridge there looks like it's just about reached its peak. Not surprising, however, that the water levels have really crested quite a bit, and it sure is taking hold. And it's not going away anytime soon. Not a very happy Easter weekend for a lot of people who are devastated by this flood. As you can see right down below. And already it's starting to rain here, which is something the Moira does not need right now. You can see the banks down there truly taking hold. Not a very pleasant thing at all, especially those living along the Moira River. Even down this little rock quarry there shows it. Just gonna watch my footing here. I'm hitting bumps. Yeah, one of the worst floods in the history of Belleville. Not letting up anytime soon. Alright, for now, stay clear and stay safe, and happy Easter, even though it's not a happy Easter for a lot of people.